Hello, I am Sarah. Welcome to White Eagle. I am so happy you are here today. Hello and how are you are great, but do you want to sound more natural? Let's learn how to use the friendly greeting, "What's up?" in English. It is a very useful phrase. It is a friendly phrase. Today, we will learn this. It will help you connect with people. It will help you speak English better. I want to help you feel strong. I want to help you grow. 9 a.m. Good morning, everyone. Sometimes I feel a little quiet. I feel a little shy. It is hard to start a conversation. Do you feel this way too? It is okay. Many people feel this way. I want to be more open. I want to connect with friends more. I want to talk more easily. It is a goal for me. It is a step for me to grow. Every day, we can learn something new. Every day, we can try something new. It makes us stronger. It makes us feel good. Today, I want to learn a new friendly greeting. A greeting is a way to say hello. A greeting is how you start talking to someone. I want a friendly way. I want a casual way. Casual means not formal, not very serious. It is for friends. It is for people you know well. I think this will help me. I think it will help me feel less shy. I think it will help me make connections. This is important for happiness. This is important for life. Look, there is my friend Mike. I will go talk to him. I will try something new. This is a brave step. I feel a little nervous, but I also feel excited. This is how we grow. We try new things. Hi, Mike. Hi, Sarah. Good to see you. Mike, I want to ask you something. I want to learn a new English greeting. A friendly one. For friends. Oh, I can help with that, Sarah. We often say, "What's up?" It is very common. What's up? Can you explain this, Mike? It sounds like a question about direction. Yes, it sounds like that. But it is not about direction. When we say, "What's up?" it means hello. It also means, how are you? It is a casual way to greet someone. It is for friends. It is for people you know. It is friendly. It shows you care. It is a simple way to start a chat. It is a good phrase. Ah, I see. So, what's up means hello or how are you? It is for friends. That is good. It is easy to remember. It is a new way to say hello. This makes me feel good. This makes me feel like I can connect. Exactly. It is a great way to start. Now, how do you answer what's up? How do I answer? What do I say? You can say, not much. This means nothing special is happening. It is a common answer. You can also say, I'm good, or I'm great, or just hi. It is very flexible. It is an easy answer. No need for long sentences. Short and simple. It keeps the conversation light. It keeps it friendly. Not much. I like that. It sounds natural. It sounds simple. I can remember not much or I'm good. This is good information, Mike. Thank you. This helps me feel less nervous. This helps me feel more confident. Confidence is a good feeling. It helps us speak. It helps us try. 11:30 a.m. Mike is a good friend. Learning what's up makes me feel happy. It feels like a small victory. A victory for me. A victory for my English. Sometimes small steps lead to big changes. Learning a new greeting is a small step. But it feels big in my heart. It helps me to be more open. It helps me to be more ready to talk. It is a feeling of hope. Hope for better connections. Hope for more confidence. I will remember what's up means hello or how are you? I will remember to answer not much or I'm good. I will use it with my friends. Not in a very formal place. Not with someone I do not know well. This is for casual talk. This is for friendly talk. This is important. Knowing when to use it is important. Mike, can we practice? I want to try. I want to feel comfortable. Practice helps us learn. Practice makes us better. Yes, let's practice. I will say, what's up? Then you answer. Okay. I am ready. I will try my best. Hey, Sarah, what's up? Hey, Sarah, what's up? Not much, Mike. How are you? I'm good. See? That was perfect. You used it well. You answered well. You looked friendly. You sounded natural. It is a good start. It is a very good start. I did it. I feel so good. My heart feels light. It is a good feeling to succeed. Even a small success. It gives me power. It gives me strength. Remember, Sarah, what's up is for friends. For people you know well. It is for informal situations. Like when you meet a friend at the park, or at a coffee shop, or when you call a friend. It is not for a job interview. It is not for talking to a boss. It is for casual talk. It is for friendly talk. Yes, I remember that. With friends. And formal. Oh, not formal is an important rule. I will keep this rule in my mind. It helps me use the phrase correctly. It helps me be a good English speaker. Mike, are there other greetings like what's up? Other friendly ones? I want to learn more. I want to grow my vocabulary. More words mean more ways to talk, more ways to connect. Yes, there is another very common one. You can say, "How's it going?" It is very similar to "What's up?" It also means, "How are you?" or "Hello." It is also casual. It is also for friends. How's it going? This is also good. How do I answer, how's it going? You can answer good or it's going well or not bad. It is very similar to answering what's up. It is another easy one. It is another friendly one. People use it all the time. It is very useful. Good, or it's going well. I can do that. So I have what's up and how's it going? 2 new friendly greetings. This is wonderful. This makes me feel empowered. I have more tools now. More tools to speak English. More tools to be friendly. Let's try how's it going, too. Okay, I am ready. Hey, Sarah, how's it going? It's going well, Mike. How are you? I am great. You are doing so well, Sarah. You are learning very fast. I am proud of you. Thank you, Mike. Your words make me feel strong. Learning new things can be hard sometimes, but it is always worth it. It is worth it to try. It is worth it to grow. 5 p.m. What a day. I learned what's up and how's it going. I practiced with Mike and I feel so much better. I feel more connected. I feel more confident. It is a beautiful feeling. Remember one important thing. When you use these greetings, smile. Be friendly. Your smile makes your words even better. It shows you are happy to see the person. It shows you are open. It shows you want to connect. A smile is a powerful thing. It makes everyone feel good. Learning new English phrases is not just about words. It is about connecting with people. It is about opening your heart. It is about being friendly. It is about growing as a person. And that is what White Eagle is all about. Helping you grow. Helping you shine. Helping you speak. I hope this video helps you. I hope you feel encouraged. You can do it. You can learn English. You can speak English. Every step, big or small, makes you stronger. Never give up. Keep trying. Keep learning. Keep smiling. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Try using "What's up?" this week. Tell me in the comments how it went. Subscribe to White Eagle for more real-life English tips.